How to use advanced feature in Amazon Prime Video. Now, Amazon Prime Video includes advanced features such as interactive X-ray informational panel, offline download, customizable accessibility settings like dialog boost, and comprehensive parental control. So here, what you could actually do is, if you want to go ahead and use the Prime Video's advanced feature, you could go with the X-ray behind the scene info. That means X-ray provide instant contextual information about what you're watching. So while watching a movie or TV show is playing, you just want to tap or hover to a cursor over the screen or just tap onto the profile. A panel will appear showing the actors currently on screen, the music playing in the scene, and then the travel provided by IMDb. Next, this feature is exclusive on Prime Video and available on most compatible device as well. Then you could also use the download many titles to watch them without an internet connection, which is ideal for travel. So you just have to open up your Prime Video, select the title or select the movie that you want to download, look for the download symbol, and it's actually going to be onto your profile section. So here you have a download section and it's going to be downloaded here. So these are some of the basic advanced feature provided by Amazon Prime Video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.